So thank you for watching today's video, but let's address the elephant in the room. Why haven't I been uploading? So, a little backstory if you haven't read my community post. So Hurricane Helene hit, my power went out for approximately 9 days, and then like a week later my PC went kaput, the power supply fried. And yeah, that happened. But yes, I'm back, and I hope you like this video. So make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, send me to a mental asylum, please, God. Thank you. Okay, goodbye.